On-page SEO optimization is crucial for enhancing your website's visibility and relevance. Focus on crafting compelling title tags and meta descriptions, structuring content with a clear header hierarchy, and building clean, SEO-friendly URLs. Optimize images with descriptive file names and alt text to boost visibility. These elements collectively improve search rankings and user experience. Meta tags are crucial for search engine optimization. Craft compelling title tags and meta descriptions to drive clicks. Use header hierarchy with H1, H2, etc. for readability. Build clean, search engine optimization-friendly URLs. Optimize images with descriptive file names and alt text. Master these elements to enhance search rankings and user experience. On-page SEO involves optimizing individual web pages to improve search engine rankings and attract relevant traffic. Unlike off-page SEO, it focuses on elements you control, such as HTML code, content quality, and internal linking. Think of it as arranging your storefront to ensure customers find what they need, enhancing both visibility and user experience. On-page SEO is crucial for search visibility, enhancing how search engines interpret your content, leading to improved rankings and organic traffic. Effective meta tags and structured content boost click-through rates, converting impressions into visitors. Additionally, clear headers and optimized images enhance user experience, making on-page SEO the cornerstone of a successful content strategy in today's digital landscape. Meta tags are essential HTML elements that inform search engines and users about your web page. They don't appear on the page, but are vital for search result appearances. Consider them your digital elevator pitch, crucial for capturing attention. Focus on the title tag and meta description to significantly boost traffic. The title tag is your page's headline in search results, crucial for search engine optimization. Keep it under 60 characters, place your primary keyword early, and make it compelling. Include your brand name when suitable. Each title should be unique and balance search engine optimization with human appeal. A poor title like Home Welcome lacks specificity, while Beginner's Guide to On-Page Search Engine Optimization, Your Brand, is more effective. Meta descriptions, though not ranking factors, are vital for click-through rates. They should summarize page content clearly, include bolded keywords, and feature a call to action. For example, learn essential on-page search engine optimization techniques to boost rankings, discover optimization tips, start improving your search engine optimization today. Crafting effective title tags and meta descriptions is crucial for search engine optimization. A weak example like Products page 5 lacks specificity and keywords. In contrast, Organic Coffee Beans, Fair Trade and Freshly Roasted is precise, keyword-rich, and offers a clear benefit, enhancing both user engagement and search engine understanding. Headers like H1, H2, and H3 create a structured hierarchy, enhancing readability and SEO. H1 acts as the main title, H2s as chapter titles, and H3s as section headings. This organization aids search engines in understanding your content and improves accessibility for screen readers, making it a crucial on-page SEO strategy. The H1 is your page's main title, used once to encapsulate the primary topic with a key keyword. H2s divide content into major sections, reflecting main themes. H3s further dissect these sections, enhancing clarity. H4, H6 provide additional detail within H3s, but are rarely needed unless the content is highly technical. Headers should follow a sequential order, like H1 to H2 to H3, and include relevant keywords naturally. They must be concise, descriptive, and accurately reflect the content they precede. Avoid skipping heading levels, using multiple H1s, or stuffing keywords unnaturally. Headers enhance both search engine optimization and user experience, prioritizing readers over search engines. A well-structured header hierarchy enhances both user experience and search engine optimization. Starting with an H1 for the main topic, followed by H2s for subtopics, and H3s for detailed sections, ensures clarity. This logical flow aids search engines in understanding content organization, while helping users navigate efficiently, finding relevant information swiftly. A well-structured URL acts as a digital address, guiding users and search engines. Descriptive URLs like domain.com, blog, SEO tips clearly convey page content, enhancing click-through rates and rankings. In contrast, vague URLs like domain.com, pwarzone23 offer no insight, impacting user experience and search visibility. Craft URLs that are informative and intuitive for optimal results. Short URLs are memorable and shareable. Use primary keywords naturally to aid search engine categorization. Hyphens, not underscores, separate words for clarity. Descriptive URLs inform users about page content before clicking. These practices enhance user experience and support search engine optimization, making site navigation logical and efficient. Poor URLs like site.com.index.php.page ID 47ncat bowen 12 are cryptic and cluttered, while site.com 2024-03-15 post can date content. In contrast, good URLs such as site.com SEO guide are clean, descriptive, and keyword-rich, enhancing user experience and search engine optimization. Aim for clarity and simplicity in your URL structure for optimal results. Use lowercase letters in URLs to prevent confusion and broken links. Remove stop words like a, the, and for conciseness. Ensure URLs match the page's topic and use categories like I blog for structure. Plan URLs carefully to avoid changes and exclude dates unless necessary to prevent content from appearing outdated. Images enhance engagement and offer SEO potential. Search engines interpret images through file names, alt text, and context. Optimizing images boosts visibility in Google image search, aids accessibility for visually impaired users, and enhances page relevance. Proper image optimization is crucial for maximizing these benefits. Descriptive file names are crucial for image SEO. Rename images with keyword-rich descriptive names like organiccoffeebeans.jpg. Use hyphens to separate words, keep names concise, and use lowercase letters. Avoid generic names like img234jpg. Remember, file names can't be changed post-upload, so ensure accuracy initially. Alt text is crucial for accessibility and search engine optimization. It ensures visually impaired users can understand image content via screen readers and help search engines rank images. Additionally, alt text serves as a fallback when images fail to load, maintaining content clarity. Prioritize well-crafted alt text for both ethical and practical benefits. Crafting effective alt text involves accurately describing the image, being specific with relevant details, and keeping it concise, ideally under 125 characters. Integrate keywords naturally. For example, barista pouring organic coffee beans into a grinder is descriptive and keyword-rich, unlike vague or keyword-stuffed alternatives. Compress images to under 100 kilobytes using tools like TinyPNG. Choose JPEG for photos, PNG for transparent graphics, and WebP for best compression. Implement lazy loading to enhance page speed. Use responsive images to serve the right size for each device, avoiding unnecessary bandwidth use and improving load times. Begin with thorough keyword research using tools like Google Keyword Planner. Craft engaging title and meta descriptions with primary keywords. Use H1, H2, and H3 tags for content structure. Optimize URLs with descriptive keywords. Prepare images by renaming, compressing, and adding alt text. Finally, review all elements before publishing and monitor performance. Yoast. Search engine optimization is ideal for WordPress users, offering real-time feedback on title tags, meta descriptions, and keyword usage with a traffic light system. Screaming Frog search engine optimization. Spider excels in technical audits, identifying issues like missing title tags and broken images. Google Search Console monitors search performance, revealing queries, indexing issues, and mobile usability problems. Avoid keyword stuffing. It makes content unreadable and penalizes rankings. Ensure each page has unique content to prevent duplicate content issues. Optimize for mobile, as over 60% of searches are mobile-based. Use descriptive alt text for images and improve page speed by compressing images and minimizing code. Strengthen internal linking to enhance site structure. Craft compelling title tags under 60 characters and meta descriptions under 160 characters with keywords to drive clicks. Use a single H1 per page, structured with H2s and H3s for readability. Create clean URLs with hyphens and keywords. Descriptively name and compress images, adding detailed alt text. Consistently apply these principles for ongoing SEO success.